A common question I get is if Bluetooth is integrated directly into our CI processors. And the answer to that is no. There are several reasons why Bluetooth isn't built in directly into our processors or even hearing aids, and power being one of them. Bluetooth requires a lot of power. And there are more power-efficient technologies for audio streaming, such as 2.4 gigahertz and even telecoil. And however, we can use Bluetooth devices like this tablet, computers and smartphones and so forth, in conjunction with our hearing devices using integrated technology like telecoil, for example. I'm going to demonstrate with the Quattro Bluetooth Neckloop from ClearSounds as an example to explain the function of Bluetooth and how it brings sound directly into my processor. Now, there are other Bluetooth products like this on the market, but I'm just going to use the Quattro as a demonstration for this video. Now, if you'll notice, the Quattro has a circular black body around here, and it has a neck loop that's attached to it. This is actually a telecoil neck loop. If you're not familiar with telecoil, I suggest you to check out my other video on telecoil technology. Let's go back to the standard telecoil neck loop. As you can see, it has a standard stereo plug on the end that I can insert into the tablet's headphone jack. And then I would press T or MT and I would hear the sound streaming through the tablet. Now, this works great, but perhaps I don't want to be tethered to it. In other words, if I want to put it down and walk away, I would like a more hands-free solution, and the Bluetooth Neckloop provides just that solution. Now, instead of having a direct connect cord, I can opt to use a Bluetooth version. I can use the Bluetooth receiver in the Quattro to pair with the tablet Bluetooth transmitter. And once I do that, the sound will stream through my Quattro and then convert to telecoil so that I can hear the sound from the tablet. The Quattro simply converts the Bluetooth sound into a signal that can be picked up by the telecoil, and it becomes an invisible cord that brings the sound to the neck loop component. Pairing devices vary among the different products. Smartphones and tablets have a menu item to make it discoverable and ready to pair. For the Quattro, you hold down the big silver button long enough for the word pairing to show. Other devices require you to hold the power button down until blue and red lights flash. Refer to product user manuals for specific pairing instructions. There is an additional feature that is unique to the Quattro, and that is the headphone jack. This is primarily designed for users to use earbuds or headphones instead of the telecoil. And it's a good troubleshooting tool for parents and teachers to ensure that the Quattro is working properly for their student or their child. The nice thing about this is that it allows a user to connect with their audio cable instead of a telecoil. Now, this is very helpful in situations where there may be too much interference to hear through the telecoil effectively. The one thing to keep in mind is that just because something is listed as Bluetooth does not necessarily mean that it will work with the sister devices like the Quattro. Bluetooth devices like the Quattro are designed to sync up with tablets and computers, those devices that have a universal profile. There are other products on the market that use a unique product profile that's designed to do a particular thing. For example, a microphone transmitter system for a video camera. Those things may not work with the Quattro because they use their own unique Bluetooth profile. The most common Bluetooth products used with Bluetooth neck loops are Bluetooth transmitters. They are designed to stream sound from an audio source like a TV or stereo into compatible Bluetooth headsets or speakers. These are the types of devices that are likely to work with the Quattro, since they use a universal Bluetooth profile. Look at the description or specifications of the product to see if it works with Bluetooth headphones or speakers. This usually means that it is compatible with third-party products, and therefore will most likely pair with the Quattro or other Bluetooth Neckloops and devices. Now you can go online and do a search for Bluetooth Neckloops. Then you should come across a wide variety of products that are similar to the Quattro and allow you to connect to a wide variety of products like tablets, smartphones, and computers.